Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am serving looks with this beautiful red look I got using the Bretman Rock Lit collection. He did the Lit and the Wet collection. I'm going to be reviewing the Wet collection here soon, but for now I did the Lit and it turned out gorgeous. If you want to see how I got this look and see all about the collection, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so today we're going to be using and reviewing the Bretman Rock collection. I got everything from it, including the blushes, even though I don't wear blush. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I've had it for a while. I bought it right when the collection just dropped and it literally just sat there. I have both the eyeshadow palettes, the red and the blue. And then I have both the lip kits, lip bundles, sorry, not lip kits, that's Kylie. Yeah, lip kits. And yeah, it's called the Wet and the Lit collection. Came with blushes as well. And something I'm really excited about is the Glitterly Obsessed. These are new with Colourpop, and I think they launched them with Bretman's collection, and now they have like a whole new line of them, and you know, a bunch of different colors, but they first came out with Bretman's collection. And they're these awesome little glitter pots basically, and normally these are really expensive on any other brand I've ever seen, and these were $8 I think. Yeah, I'll throw up prices for everything on the screen. I got everything as a bundle, so it was cheaper that way, which was really nice. I didn't get the PR box one, but it was really cute. I think I'm gonna split this into two videos. I think today we're gonna look at the red collection. I already did my base and everything, so we're going to be focusing on the eyes, the lips, and the little glitters. And I'll swatch the blushes, but I don't really wear blush. Oh, so I drop everything. I love this. I don't know if you guys like kombucha. I love this one. It's so good. Watermelon Wonder. If you don't like kombucha, this is the one you'll like. I love it. Here we have the lip palette. God, these are both just so gorgeous. And even though the blue one is kind of like outside the box, it's still very wearable. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, yes. Beach. So we have 8 shades in here. Very beautiful. Or Whatever, Mercy, Macchiato, Cleo Amor, She Got Money, Period, Like, and Batting. See You gloss. Then we have Wig Ultra Satin Lip. Have Duke's lip pencil. Super buttery. That is beautiful. Ooh, wow. I'm so excited about this. The one that came in the blue collection is so pretty too. But I literally always wanted one of these. And you can use this on your skin, in your hair, on your eyelids. Body glitter. Love this. I have it all over my arm still, literally from that swatch. Glitterly. Still glitterally have it all over my arm. So great. So pretty. I think I'm gonna go with like a deep look. I think I might go in with these middle 4. Okay, Okay, I got a look. I'm gonna go in with my brand new brush set. I'm so excited because I've only ever had one Morphe brush before this. And it is, yes girl, it is the James Charles X Morphe brush set. Oh, okay, so they all fall out. So I left a couple in the packaging. They were all individually packaged. Super nice. I'm so excited. So first I'm going to go into the shade Light on my M433. I'm a pro now that I have a set of Morphe brushes. She's pigmented. And I'm going to run this through the crease. I'm just lightly packing this on through the crease. Not trying to blend out yet, I'm just trying to get that color down first. Okay, now I'm going to take another M433 brush, clean, and I'm going to take the shade Macchiato. I'm just going to put that in my outer corner. Just want to make sure this is getting darker than my crease. So I'm going to dip back into that like shade and tap that on there, mix it with the brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the M441 brush and dip into the shade or whatever, the light cream shade. Soften the outer edge, my crease. This color is making me really excited to play with James Charles' new palette and get into the red. I'm so excited for that. Because like really, if you think about it, there's not that many eyeshadow palettes that have reds. Like, I really don't think I have a single one that has a red, honestly. I just mixed the shades Macchiato and Like, and I'm putting that in my outer corner one more time, just to really darken it up. Next, I'm going to take the M124 brush. It's a small tapered brush. And I'm going to take some of my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to cut the crease real quick. Wow, that trick works. If you put a dot of concealer right there and then look up, that shows you where you should cut your crease. That's awesome. It's pretty good. Pretty good and fresh. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna take the really pretty like red wine shimmery shade Mercy and tap that onto the wet concealer. Take it on my finger because it's definitely that type of consistency, and just tap it on the concealer. I'm gonna take this M224 brush, take that on here, spritz it with a little bit of my Mario spray, and I'm gonna get into those lines so I don't mess up my cut crease. And now whenever you're doing a cut crease like that, you gotta go back in and blend. So I'm gonna go back into the light shade and just blend those two colors together so there's not that weird patch. I literally just realized I have eyeshadow on the side of my face. Okay.
That is awesome.
So now that I have everything blended and the shimmer shade on and everything's good, it's time for the finishing touch. Glitter! I think it'll really make it pop since the shimmer and the matte, they're kind of similar. So I'm going to take a M124 brush and just glob a little bit of that on. I should probably get a glitter glue first. Yeah. Hold that thought. I got my glitter glue now. I'm just going to take the NYX glitter primer. I think, yeah, you definitely need this. Or at least like a clear lash glue or something. I'm going to take the glitter glue on this M124. I'm just going to use the same brush too. And I'm going to lay it down right where I put the shimmer shade. Now I'm going to take some of the glitter. We're just going to put that right where we laid down the glitter glue. Wow, that added everything to this eye look. This is gorgeous. Wow. A+ for the glitter. And even though it's called body glitter, they do say they're eye safe. I guess they just called it that because you can put it everywhere. And this is called She Lit. Now that I have this eye done, and it's looking gorgeous, I'm going to go do my other eye off camera, throw on my lashes, and we'll be back to do the lips. Okay guys, and now that the eyes are done, it's time for the lips, or as James calls them, the lippity doodahs. We are going in with the Lit set, and it comes with an ultra satin lip, a lip pencil, and a gloss. And this is the ultra satin lip in Wig, the gloss in I See You, and the lippy pencil. Oh, my lashes glued. Okay, there we go. The lippy pencil in Dukes. So this will go with this look well. It's a really dark red. I'm going to start off by wiping off my lips. And now I'm going to line them with the Dukes pencil. Are you kidding me right now?
Did you get that on camera?
Yes.
Did it ruin it?
Can't redo this part. Sorry everyone, that was just my dog snoring. Mavro. His snore was just him telling me stop overlining your lips so much. Mavro, stop coming for me. Okay, so now that I have my lips lined, I just made sure I'm filled in on the outside. And make sure you really fill in, like, if you overline, so you don't have those weird little, like, spots. And now we're going to take Wig, and I'm going to fill it in. Okay, and then there's the color. Wig. Honestly, Wig. This is so pretty and it's so comfortable since it is satin. Now I don't know how I'd feel like going a night out with a satin this color, but this formula is really nice. And if you don't know Colourpop satin, they have a matte, a gloss, and then they have a satin, and a satin is just like a matte, but it's comfortable. Like, it doesn't completely dry down, so like there's still some that comes off, but it doesn't completely dry down, but it dries down matte. Okay guys, and that completes this look. Okay guys, and that wraps up this video. I really love this look. It's so Christmas like time. It's even great for New Year's Eve, honestly. Even though Christmas is over, but it's, you know, the time of year. I loved everything from this collection. I'm actually blown away. I loved the eyeshadow palette. The formula was great. I loved the lip bundle. It was absolutely amazing. I love this color. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, but it's really cute, and the lip liner goes really great with it. And I love the gloss, but I wouldn't put a gloss over a satin. So I'm just going to throw that gloss in my purse, but I love it. It's the perfect color. I don't wear blush, but the formula was really great and creamy. The colors were really pretty. I feel like a little bit goes a long way with them. So if you're into blush, grab them. Oh, I can't forget. I loved the glitter so much. Like, these are only $8 and you get so much. Like, I've seen these for like $28 with the same size jar. And it did amazing. It like really transformed this look. So I loved this. This was, yeah, I loved everything. And I'm super excited to play around with the blue one because even though it's like blue, the wet collection, it's still super wearable. Congratulations, Bretman, on this beautiful collection. I'm so happy for you. It really was amazing. And for the price point. So that wraps up this video for today, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and if you did, please give me a like. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Because you know, if you start Forrest Gump at exactly 10:38 and 57 seconds on New Year's Eve, you'll spend your New Year's with Lieutenant Dan.
Bye, guys! How's my eye look?
Crazy. I like the circles.
Circle?
Yeah, like because the light.
Oh, no, I meant my eyeshadow, babe.
I like the circles. I like this.
Lit. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, my freaking chinchilla. Whoopsie. Today, shit, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore.